Fundamentals of blockchain. Public distributed ledger. A blockchain is a decentralized public distributed ledger that is used to record transactions across many computers. A distributed ledger is a database that is shared among the users of the blockchain network. The transactions are accessed and verified by users associated with the Bitcoin network, thereby making it less prone to cyber attack. Encryption. Blockchain eliminates unauthorized access by using the cryptographic algorithm SHA-256 to ensure the blocks are kept secure. Each user in the blockchain has their key. And number 3 is proof of work. Proof of work is a method to validate transaction in a blockchain network by solving a complex mathematical puzzle called mining. In blockchain, when miners use their resources, time, money, electricity, etc. to validate a new transaction and record them on the public ledger, they are given a reward. Note: as a reward, the miner gets 12.5 BTC bitcoins. 4 types of blockchain technology: public blockchain, private blockchain, consortium blockchain, hybrid blockchain. Private blockchain. These blockchains are not as decentralized as the public blockchain. Only selected nodes, one participant in the process, making it more secure than the others. Consortium blockchain. It is a creative approach that solves the needs of the organization. This blockchain validates the transaction and also initiates or receives transactions. This blockchain validates the transaction and also initiates or receives transaction. It is also known as federated blockchain. Hybrid blockchain. It is the mixed content of the private and public blockchain, where some part is controlled by some organization and other makes are made visible as a public blockchain. Why is blockchain important? Blockchain is an especially promising and evolutionary technology because it helps reduce security risks, stamp out fraud, and bring transparency in a scalable way. Originally popularized in the 2010s, blockchain technology has since evolved to become a management solution for all types of global industries. Today, you can find blockchain technology providing transparency for the food supply chain, securing healthcare data, innovating gaming, and overall changing how we handle data and ownership on a large scale. How does blockchain work? The goal of blockchain is to allow digital information to be recorded and distributed but not edited in the first. A blockchain is the foundation for immutable ledgers or records of transactions that cannot be altered, deleted, or destroyed. This is why blockchain are also known as a distributed ledger technology.